What's up, guys? What's up with these planes? Probably hear that. So here in Ohio, the weather, as you may know, all over the place. It is kind of cold. Doing some cool stuff up here on top of the hill, building some ponds. So I thought I'd bring you up, show you what those look like, show you some of the equipment we're using, and just some cool B-roll for you guys. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, so there's a little sneak peek to what we're doing up here on top of the hill. Again, the camera I use for filming and photography is the Sony A6000. I use the 35mm F1.8 Sony. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Ask me anything about film, photography, the equipment I use. And I'd love to answer those questions later on in videos. If you guys have seen, my Instagram has grown dramatically in the past few days. I'm keeping it a secret right now. I came up with an awesome new way, 100% my idea. It's my system that I use. Personally, I went from getting about 50 to 70 post likes, and the first time I tried this new system that I made, I literally got 200 and some likes on the single post. And now every day since then, I've been getting a little over 400, close to 500 likes per post, and in the past 3 days I've grown by about 150 new followers. I'll put the link to my Instagram down below. Be watching though. I'll come out with a new video here soon explaining how I do this, the system that I've made, and I'll open it up to you guys. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend. See you guys.